Ever wonder what software engineers and developers are doing to improve overall performance? I'm Stephanie Essen. You'll find out in this IDZ Weekly. It's the age of distraction. Data proves that the average person is interrupted every 3 minutes. Imagine sitting in a movie theater, and right before the main character opens the closet door where the killer is hiding, the guy next to you decides to move seats and blocks your view of the entire screen. Now your main character is running for their life and you missed a major plot point. That's kind of what it's like when you're working on your computer, and right when you get into the perfect flow, it freezes. You get frustrated and distracted that it's not working. Intel decided to break the boundaries of what an effective device looks like. This year, they've pushed towards Intel's first 5 GHz processor, 5G PCs, and fastest ever Intel Optane SSD for mobile. All in order to help people get their work done and focus on what's important. Their main concerns are improving the PC's performance, connectivity, battery life, and adaptability. So far, they've worked on creating a laptop with a 28-hour battery life. So the next time you go to a coffee shop to get work done, you won't have to leave once you discover there aren't any outlets. To learn more about the ways PCs are being developed for higher performance, read the article in the provided links. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.